Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, today there'll be no Jenny in this video. She's not really good on the back of scooters. So just to let you know, this one we did, it's a Direct Bikes DB50 sports model, 4-stroke. Just to let you know, it's should be going shortly. A nice gentleman called Ian, looks like he'll be buying it and picking up at the end of this week. So as with most of the bikes, I like to do a little bit of a review just for the record as well. So I'll show you around basically what I have done, and we actually go for a little ride and see how we get on with that. Well, here we go. I'll show you some pictures at the end, a few befores and afters, and just quickly show you what I have done. Basically, the wheels weren't too bad. They were just cleaned up, have come up okay. There was a lot of powder coating done. This engine cover, or crank belt cover should we say, that was all powder coated, and so was the stand. And if you remember, the back lights all round here, all this was broken, and someone decided it was a good idea to put black sealer in there. This was all broken around here, and so was the lights. So I've got brand new lights for the back now. That's working fine. It was a replacement one. If you remember, the old one was sawn off here, so I've got a new one of these, and that was cleaned and powder coated. If we come around here, the exhaust pipe was cleaned up, and the bracket here was all powder coated. And as we come round to the front, this was all painted with two new indicators in there as well, because they were just opaque, faded, horrible. So the other bits I did, the speedo clock, that was all faded around there. That's a brand new clock. All went together okay, apart from the fact that it had indicators to flash for both sides, whereas the other one just had one flashing light to tell you the indicators were on. So basically what I did was just wire it up so they both flash together. All these are brand new switches. These are all faded. This is all brand new now, as is the left hand side, brand new, matching colours, and brand new wing mirrors. So that's pretty much. Oh, the other thing before we go is the seat, brand new. It's all cleaned in there, and the petrol tank was, I think we powder coated it or spray painted it, I can't remember, but all underneath inside is all good as new. It wasn't bad condition to start with, it was just should we say neglected, but it's breathed some new life back into it, and we'll see if we can give it a little run around the local roads and see how this goes. Okay, so let's get all helmeted up and off we go. So as I say, we just go down some of these little side roads. So I've got to hold this camera as my wife lost the mount for the helmet. But it's a lovely smooth engine. It's 4-stroke, so it's much smoother and quieter than a 2-stroke. So we'll well, I've missed the side road, never mind. Okay, we'll go down this little cut through now. As I always mention, this is the Surrey potholed areas. Everywhere is potholed. Okay, that's the end of the back row bit, so let's find somewhere else. Well, I hope you did enjoy this little review. It's a lovely bike, and I wouldn't have got rid of it apart from the fact that I need money from the strikes, and I've decided to keep some of the classic stuff, which is part of the channel is classic. But as I say, it's been a pleasure to have it, and I'd be ashamed to see it go. And so please have a little look at some last of the still shots of it before, and I've already seen it as it is now. So please take care, see you soon, and we'll be back with the next one.